I'm a meow 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 meow. I just wanna play 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 every night every day every night.
Wow! It's a Kpop Demon Hunter's mystery box! Ooh, I hope it's got soda pop. Let's see what's inside. A flexible road? Well, time to let the good times roll. Follow the only road. It's paved and wide and up to code. Ooh, we can't forget the loop-de-loop. And we gotta give gravity a helping hand. But what's the fun of a road without some wheels? Get your engine started. We've got a need for speed. And when you own the road, there's no speed limit. Especially when it's a racetrack. Let's see what's next. Wow, a big smile for someone so blue. Of course, I'd be happy to be a bubble wand octopus too. Soon, we'll have more bubbles than under the sea. Cats don't like water, but everyone loves water. Of course, we need to share this bubble power with the world. And if they pop, we can always make more. Wow, this astronaut's defying gravity. Pay no attention to that string on top. Clearly for decoration. You seem thirsty. Why not try some cosmic water? Wow, the thing even looks cosmic. Possibly grape flavored. Either way, he's got a special treat for you in the back. Open him up and he'll be happy to give back. Cosmic water is the gift that keeps on giving. It looks like stardust. I wonder if it tastes like it too. Of course, I've never tried stardust before. Either way, Rumi here seems to like it. Why don't we drink it straight from the source? It's out of this world. What does the box have next? A milk cap? Who needs the rest of the cow when you've got udders? Unfortunately, you gotta provide your own milk. Make sure that cap is on nice and tight. Now you can drink milk 4 times as fast. Hey, leave some for Derpy, preferably in a saucer. Of course, he wouldn't mind the direct approach. Plus, it's great for all those teeth of his. Oh, silly kitty. But I wonder what else this works on. Mints and soda? Put that cap on ASAP. It'd be a waste of a perfectly good fountain. I like lobster claws, but usually as lunch. But I think I might even like them better as pens. A simple click, plus a pinch to grow an inch. And look, you can even write and draw with it. Plus, it's great for multitasking. Eat spicy chips, and your hands will stay powder-free. But let's see if this works on more than chips. The ultimate test. Rumi's favorite ramyun. Wow, now that's what I call instant noodles. You can almost taste the seafood flavor. And look, it even doubles as a toothpick. In fact, you'd be surprised at all the things you could pick. I wonder what's next. A foot cleaner? For who? Thumbelina? Oh, I see. It helps exfoliate skin. Let's try it out. Ooh, Rumi, we need to rethink your boot situation. Well, might as well start with some soap. Now spread the suds. Make sure you really get in there. Every nook and cranny. Okay, we got rid of the gunk. Wipe it off. Ah, good as new. Let's hope they stay that way. Aw, looks like Rumi's got a secret admirer. Is it Genu? Speak of the devil, those poor flowers. But don't worry, there's more where those came from. Especially when we can make them ourselves. Just lay down all the layers and colors you want. With a slight pinch, it becomes three-dimensional. But this flower's getting a whole package, a stem. You can't stop at one. Let's make a whole bouquet. And the best part is, they don't need water. Wrap it up with paper and it's ready for Valentine's. Of course, we can still keep it in a vase. Wow, we've got a candy dispenser frame. Seems we need to add the candy ourselves. Just make sure it fits through the slot. No wonder we need to keep adding candy. Because I don't think it's going to stay there for long. Yeah, something tells me we should order in a new shipment. Also works with nuts or various other tiny foods. Something tells me some kitty wants you to spread the love. But let's fill it with Derpy's favorite kitty kibble. Now just turn the dial and let the love pour out. Of course, no Huntrix box is complete without pom-poms. They're always great to have on hand. Just look at how it puts a nice face on things. But why don't we use it to make some art? Unicorns are cool on their own, but it's just so fluffy! What else can we decorate with this? Looks like Rumi's embracing her markings. Nothing wrong with being a little fearless. But I think clowns are a little too scary for some.